Our newsmaker of the day, Justice MB Shah, joins us right here on ET Now. Thanks very much for talking to us, sir. The world is watching you, and the Supreme Court has given you a very stringent deadline as far as this SIT probe is concerned. A status report by November, a final report by March 2015. Are you confident of meeting the stringent deadline? Because there are many angles, many names that you have to go over.
I don't think that there will be any difficulty in doing the work. Something would be achieved. Before the deadline, something would be achieved.
Why is this deadline so crucial? Is it because a lot of cases cannot be opened after March 2015?
Nothing, only for expediting the work, expediting the investigation, expediting deciding cases against the persons.
Sir, at this stage, have you shared any names that have been handed over to you with the CBI or the Enforcement Directorate? Because many names will be looked into even by the investigative agencies.
All the names are shared with all investigating agencies.
So as of now, the 627 names that have been given to you, 628 actually, have been shared with investigative agencies?
Not 627. The persons who are involved, against whom offense can be offense, there is an offense. Their names are shared with the investigating agency. Others are investigated by the Income Tax Department.
If I may just turn back and see the last 3 days have seen some 3 names come to the fore. They have been made public. Is it because there is a case against them? Is it because they're being prosecuted? What is the next course of legal action against these 3 people, sir?
Legal action will be taken under the EDA as well as under this PMLA. All sorts of action will be taken by them against the persons who are involved in it.
So these are very apparent names where legal action will be taken, like you said, under PMLA or under income tax evasion laws. What about the others? How many of these cases, or are there large number of cases in this list that are close to prosecution, sir?
It is all investigated. I cannot say at present what will be done. Thank you.
Sir, just one more question on the penalty. Will there be uniform penalty on people who are found guilty with the list that has come to you?
That penalty would be decided by the courts and not by us. State cannot decide anything what penalty should be levied. Court would decide whether he should be punished, he should not be punished, what type of fine should be levied. That depends.
Can you assure our viewers, and by that India at large, that no matter how powerful, how big, how influential the people are, they will not be spared in this list?
We both were Supreme Court judges. We have never spared any individual on the ground that is powerful, on the ground that he is rich, on the ground that he can influence. Nobody has influenced her up till now.
So there's no pressure that you're feeling right now at this stage?
No pressure at any moment, at any point of time.
So there was a lot of apprehension that some of these names got leaked the last time around. How will you ensure that privacy of these names are maintained? Because
I do not know whether they were leaked or not leaked. I do not know about it.
I have a last question to ask you. There is an apprehension that some of the names in this list are legitimate accounts. They may not be black money holders after all.
Those persons who are having legitimate account, nothing would be done against them. The department itself would not take action.
But what about the argument that if they have legitimate accounts, why have them in Swiss banks? Why not have them in India?
Because they are residing somewhere else. They are NRI. They are entitled to have it.
And what about Indians who have legitimate Swiss bank accounts? Doesn't that raise concern?
No, legitimate Swiss bank account, department would not take action. Department would not take action. That is certain about it. They are certain. In any case, courts are there. Don't worry about it.